Today we'll be taking a quick look at the remote inlet air filter assembly. This is from Bulldog Winch, and it's going to work with the Bulldog Winch air tanks that you might install on your vehicle. And this is going to filter out any harmful contaminants, dirt, or debris from getting into that air tank and causing any issues down the line. It has this little tab that can be placed into an existing hole on your vehicle to keep it in place, or you can always use that as a sort of anchor point to zip tie it up and out of the way. As the sticker on the front says, you want to install this in a dry area. So usually if you kind of put this up as far as you can on the underside of your vehicle or wherever you happen to mount this, you want to keep it away from water as much as possible. It'll also come with the 2 1/4-inch NTP hose fittings. So we'll have a male end and a female end. The female end will connect to our filter assembly here. You kind of have to coax that on a little bit since those are plastic threads. Then once that's on, it'll fit our 1/4-inch hose. I have some here just to show. You just want to slide that over that barbed fitting until it sits all the way down on there. And then you can wiggle that back off. It's made, again, of a sturdy plastic construction. To change out the filter inside here, it does have removable filters. You would just need to pry out on the edges of this cover at the front. If we flip it over, you'll see there will be a little notch there. Next to those, there'll be a kind of little square notch. That's where the tabs are on the inside. You just need to pry out against those around this outer edge, and then you can remove that cover, pop out the filter, and change it out as needed. As far as the dimensions with this filter assembly, it's about 2 3/4 inches wide and about an inch and 3/8 thick. If we go from the front to the back of those threads, and then going from the top to the bottom of that little attachment point, it's just about 4 inches long, or about it's about 3 7/8 inches long. It does come with a 1-year limited warranty from Bulldog Winch. And that's going to do it for our look at the remote inlet air filter assembly for Bulldog Winch air tanks.